Morning.
Morning, sleepyhead.
You're doing our coffee?
Yes.
Thank you.
Putting lots of sugar so you'll be sweet today. Okay.
Thank you, thank
We
you.
gotta put some water.
Yep.
I make coffee for you every morning, right?
No,
No?
sometimes. Sometimes he does.
No, only in the motorhomes do I make coffee.
Show me your shirt. Barely awake.
Barely awake.
That's a cute one.
Are you gonna tag this shirt so people can buy
Barely
it?
awake. Yep. Why not?
Okay. Check if she puts a tag in the video, and maybe you can buy this. Possibly. I'm not sure.
Hopefully, I will do my work and tag it.
Good morning from Belle Marie Winery.
Belle Marie Winery. Good morning. Coffee, coffee.
Join us for coffee, would you? So let's go check the Jackery. It was in the 80s, I believe. About 84. Oh, we're at 100%. So we'll pack this up and bring it in. Awesome. Brunch is served. Thank you, Nadine.
You're welcome.
For a job well done. I'm going to guess what the flavor is of these weird drinks. If I can get this bottle opener to work.
Very weird, yucky, yummy drinks.
Yucky, yummy. This bottle opener is not very good. I'm gonna go from left to right and I'll guess what each flavor is. And welcome from Belle Marie Winery. After this, we'll have wine, which should be much better, maybe. And then you'll taste them after? Although you know the order.
You'll have to switch. You'll have to change them.
Okay. That one's not bad.
What do you think? Oh, come on. You have two tastes of each. We have to make
it's
rules.
Like a bitter Coke.
No.
I have to taste it one more time.
You can be tasting a lot.
Peanut butter and jelly?
Okay, we have to give him 1 point. Good job.
Okay, it's not peanut butter and jelly?
It is.
It is? Oh,
Yes.
Okay. I almost thought it was jelly bean. And then I went with peanut butter and jelly. Yeah, I'm scared. Oh, that's Fireball.
Fireball?
It's cinnamon. Is it it tastes like Fireball.
That's it. 3. Okay, let's agree on something. 3 only.
Okay,
You can.
3 sips only.
Yeah.
Okay. Apple pie?
No.
No.
So
How many guesses do I get?
2 guesses.
2 guesses. Okay. Chicken wings.
No.
Okay.
So he lost on the second.
Okay. Here we go. Ah! That's gross. It tastes like chicken fat. So it tastes like chicken, like chicken grease. So it tastes like greasy chicken.
So
It's gonna make me vomit.
you have to
Chicken grease.
no.
Or fried chicken.
Fried chicken?
Fried chicken.
Okay. Should I count this one or 2?
I don't know. You know the answer.
You have another one. It's wrong.
But it's close?
I don't know. I can't tell you.
Okay. Chicken wings. Hot chicken wings.
Nope.
No?
So you have 1 point and 2
Only
down.
1 point? I can't believe this. I thought this was going to be easier. This one is worse.
I know. The name is bad too. We should have water.
It's similar to this one. Like where it tastes like grease, but it's more greasy. Okay, I think this one is butter. Butter.
Good job.
Don't ever drink butter. That's
2 and
nasty.
2. So this one will be the result.
Okay.
If you'll pass or you're not gonna pass. It's up to this. Good luck.
This one's not bad.
Oh, really?
It's got a little fiery after kick though. At first it tastes like orange soda and then it burns your throat.
Be careful.
Like it tastes good at first and then it's like there's hot sauce in it or something.
Maybe Juno can try some.
It's like hot sauce soda.
Okay. You took your 3 sips. So you have
Okay.
2 guesses.
This one is hot chicken wings.
Good job!
like orange chicken with spice on it.
Yep. Then he won.
I won.
He got 3.
Oh, I had to get 3 of the 5, so
Of
I
the
got the
5.
majority. So now
So-
I'll switch them and let you do it.
Wish me luck, Juno. Okay, I'm out of here.
Hey everyone, we've got a couple of fun extras for you. My wife's portion of the weird flavored soda taste test and our full tasting of the red wine chateaurie here at Belle Marie Winery. Those segments turned out to be a little too hot to handle for today's video, so we're featuring them exclusively over on our Patreon. If you'd like to watch the full, unedited footage, you could join our Patreon for just $3 a month. You'll also get early access to our videos as soon as they're finished. No waiting until the usual Friday drop. Just scan the QR code on the screen or hit the link in the description. Thanks so much for your support. Now let's jump ahead to our early Thanksgiving dinner in the motorhome at Belle Marie Winery. Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. By the time you guys see this, it'll be Thanksgiving. We'll probably do this as a special release on Thanksgiving. So we thought we would make this a early celebration. So happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there watching, and thank you for watching. We are thankful for all of you, and I'm thankful for you and those that will join us in the future. By faith.
By faith, yes.
Okay, so what did you make for this early Thanksgiving dinner, Nadine?
That's pasta and chicken with lemon and
Smells
sauce.
good.
The kevin, yeah, the pre-made kevins.
You didn't make it from scratch?
No, I wish.
And then we got some apple juice.
Yep.
Sponsored by Mott's. No, we're not sponsored. No one sponsors us, but we can use some.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, and we got some nice decorations, some fall colored flowers and leaves, and a little reindeer with scarf.
Yep.
And
Christmas is coming.
Christmas tree.
And the new marble table
Oh, the new marble table.
made by Mr. James Ferguson.
Yes, I made this marble table. We hung up some lights, getting ready for Christmas.
Yeah.
So
10 more to go.
everything's coming together.
Yep.
Should we take a bite? I'm hungry.
Let's take a bite.
See if you did a good job.
Hopefully. I don't know.
We got macaroni with chicken.
Yep. We ate a lot today, so we're not that hungry.
Yeah. That soda kind of ruined my appetite. Yeah, it's good.
Mhm.
Very unique with the macaroni, though.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have any pumpkin pie.
We do have
We do? We have pumpkin pie.
small piece
Yay!
left over from 2 days ago.
Did you make some homemade whipped cream?
No,
No. But on Thanksgiving you will, right?
hopefully.
Yum, yum. So I hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving, and I appreciate you joining us for a little bit during our Thanksgiving. This is Fergunized, signing off. Bye.